good. Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth, North Biscay. Northeasterly 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing mainly 6 later. Occasional rain at first.
I journey, the sea already in my soul. Roads wind, hedges listen, heart moving swifter than wheels. Then that crescent, Chesil, Pebbles talking loud, stones rolling secrets, ebb pulling back like a slow drumbeat. I stand still and let the beach do its vast work. The sea doesn't sleep, it heaves and hums, rolls stones by size, by strength, by time. Sun slips low, colours turn quiet, moon lies silver on still restless water. Pebbles gleam, soft and round, warm with ancient stories. Breathe. Chesil breathes. Nothing more. Sleep comes as tide comes. Steady. Certain. Home.
Decreasing mainly 5 later. Showers in Seoul, good, occasionally moderate in Seoul. Irish Sea. Northeast 5 to 7, backing north 4 or 5 later. Fair.